What's going on, y'all? We trying a different way to cook steak today, y'all. Sous vide all day while I'm at work. But anyway, let's get
And
it.
oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you.
So of course, y'all, the first thing you know we gotta do is rain on it. I'm gonna hit it with one of my favorite rubs. Now this is the one that I'm using. You can use whatever rub that you choose, but once you get that rub on there, make sure you rub that rub in. That's why they call it rub, y'all. Rub that meat, massage that seasoning in, y'all. Then we gonna go ahead and get it back down and then right into the refrigerator until in the morning because we gonna cook this while I'm at work. So once I got up in the morning, I got it out the fridge and took it straight over to that sous vide machine and got set my sous vide machine at 135 degrees for 8 hours. Now in doing this, my whole thing is this meat gonna come out, mushy with not enough chew? I don't know. That sous vide process might make it a little bit too soft. But anyway, we gonna get it out this bag and we gonna get it torched down. Now of course, I'm using the torch. That's gonna make it quick and easy. This whole process after I got off work, getting it out that bag and torching it down, took all of 5 minutes. And with this steak, I had me some leftover green beans and mashed potatoes. And oh yeah, y'all, I enjoyed myself. And to my surprise, it was pretty firm, had a pretty good texture to it. It was, it wasn't as firm as it would be if you did it for 2 hours, but it still was firm. So it gets a thumb up from me. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See you.